Hello everyone, I want to explain in this video how to get 65 plus marks. If you start preparing for GATE examination from now onwards, you have only 5 months time. If you utilize efficiently, you can get 65 plus marks easily. Myself having 15 years of experience in the GATE industry, I guided more than 25 lakh students. Using this experience, we framed one course called EPT Crash Course. It is a 5 months course. If you join this course and if you do properly all the topics whatever we discussed, only important topics we kept. If you do only those important topics followed by, right, so 20 years PYQs followed by rank improvement course. For every subject 200 to 300 quality questions are there. If you do that, you are going to get easily 65 plus marks. You may get 80 marks also. So, right, if you join the crash course, you will get all the things freely. Crash course means you will get the important topics, live and recorded lectures, plus 200 to 300 quality questions for each subject, and test series and PYQs. These all are part of the course. It is a 5 months course. Utilize this efficiently. Because of Independence Day, nice offer also going on. For more details, see the description below. This is the perfect course to get the 65 plus marks, right, in the remaining 5 months of the GATE preparation. I hope you will utilize this. This is a wonderful option, right? You are going to get easily 65 plus marks. Right? Thank you so much. See you in the classroom.